Hi, I made a Instagram auto post and auto reply to comment automation that saves your time and effort. So let's see how it's work. As you can see, I have created two workflows, one for auto posting to Instagram and another to auto reply to comments. To list all my posts in this Google Sheet, I first uploaded some images to Imager.com. These images will be posted to Instagram by simply sharing the links in the sheet. You can use any platform you want to host your images. You just need to share the link in the Google Sheet. This is the Instagram account I want to post to. In the Google Sheet, you can see columns for the file ID, which is the link from Imager.com, the caption, the post status, and a trigger column. In the trigger column, I just have to write OK for the row I want to post. Let's choose the first one. The workflow usually activates immediately, but for this live demo, I will manually click the button to show you how it works. If you set it to immediate mode, it will post second you type OK. Now you can see the workflow is complete. Let's refresh Instagram to see the new post. And here it is. The post has also been updated in the sheet. Now I'm going to comment on that post from my own account and see if I get an auto reply. I will refresh the page again. As you can see, it gave an auto reply to the comment. You can set this to say anything you want. Most interestingly, you can even add AI to reply all your comments, which helps a lot more. You can see the successful execution in the history here. Let's try it again. I will speed up the video this time to show you how consistent it is. Now let's talk about the major benefit of using this automation. Put your social media on autopilot. You can sit down once a week, drop all your content links and captions into a simple Google Sheet, and let the system post them for you. No more logging into social media multiple times a day. Boost engagement and sales. Instagram rewards accounts that reply fast. When a potential buyer comments on your post, this system replies instantly. This rapid response keeps your brand fresh in their mind and skyrockets your sales conversions. Smart AI replies. Instead of sending the same boring, repetitive reply to every person, you can hook up an AI to read their specific comment and reply in a natural, unique, and highly professional way. It looks 100% human. Okay, now let's break down the workflow. For posting on Instagram, we set up images or video link in the Google Sheet along with the caption and tags. When we type OK in Sheet, the workflow recognizes that command, activates immediately and posts to Instagram. On the other hand, the auto reply workflow is always activated to give instant response to your comments. This is great for increasing your conversion rate if you are trying to sell something. So I hope this workflow will help you to automate your social media posting, and if you want to use this workflow for your business, simply DM me or check the link in the video description.